we are going to show you one more model, that is linear motion system we are making here in-house. So now this is the Nema 23 stepper motor, and here it is the coupling and other LM guideways for giving the more stability and more rigidness to the system. This is the multi-start lead screw to move it very fast and slow. Okay, so now this model we are making in-house, and this model we are making from smaller length from 100 mm to 1.5 meter with customized speed and customized load carrying capacity. This model also available with DC motor as well. So now today I am going to demonstrate you with stepper motor, but this model you can if you want we can give you in DC motor as well. So now let me show you how it is running. This is the pulse generator, this is the drive, this is the power supply. In 24 volt DC we are going to run this system. You can see, as per customer requirement, we want it something 80 mm per second speed. So now it is running with 80 mm per second speed. So now here you can see these are the holes we are provided here. Through this hole you can fix a proximity sensors. So through proximity sensor you can control the limits, or otherwise one proximity sensor is enough for the home position. Other you can program it according to the pulse and according to your microcontrollers. So thank you.